welcome to my channel. Today we are making pizza sandwich for today. So here is my ingredients. So we have here mixed herb, red chili sauce, parsley, black pepper, chopped olive, pasta and pizza sauce, cheese, onion, chicken sausage, bread. So now I will preheat my oven for 10 minutes and 200 degrees. So let's wait for 10 minutes and 200 degrees. So we will wait 10 minutes and 200 degrees. Let's see what happens later. Here is our base and I will take out, and I want to tell you something. I had put one side of butter so it will take very tasty and moisturize. So now this is pasta and pizza sauce. Put little bit right here. So now I will spread. So we apply some pizza sauce in the top. So now we will put some sausage up on the bread. Now we will put some olive on the top. Now some onion rings. After that, we will put some of these I had added some mixed herb. Now I will add parsley, now black pepper, now I will scrub the cheese. Now my work is done. Full cheese and applied. Now we will keep in oven. So hot. Yeah. Now I will close. How many minutes for? Now let's wait for 10 minutes to bake, and the temperature is 200. So our pizza is ready. So let's close the oven and take out the pizza. Okay, let's try it. So our pizza is ready. Let's eat it then. It's very tasty. Bye guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. So, bye.